Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. We will tell you the latest news about cryptocurrency Decentraland. Bitcoin Cash, Mana, Sushi price analysis. After observing a rising wedge breakdown on its 4-hour chart, Bitcoin Cash bulls needed to defend the 50 EMA to hold their grounds. Further, Mana continued to face a hurdle at its supply zone, while its technicals displayed decreasing buying influence. Also, Sushi endeavored to cross its 20 EMA, while exhibiting an advantage for the bears. As the bearish phase heightened, BCH sharply fell and lost its year-long support, now resistance, at the $387 mark. After a nearly 28% retracement from 10 February, the alt matched its January lows. BCH oscillated between the $387–$260 range for over 7 weeks. The latest retracement saw a down channel, yellow, that yet again tested its 15-month support at the $260 floor. As a result, the price reversed and went up by more than 31% before pulling back from the rising wedge, white. Now, the 50 EMA, Cyan, confluences with the horizontal $216 mark to form immediate support. At press time, BCH traded at $317.5. After nosediving from the 70 mark, the RSI took a break below the equilibrium, but the 47 support stood sturdy. Furthermore, the DMI lines took a bearish crossover. But its ADX still stood fairly weak, revealing a weak directional trend. Since touching its 11-week low on 22 January, they all saw a staggering 107.4% ROI until 9 February. Post which, it dropped below crucial price points. Over the past few days, Mana grew in a rising wedge on its 4-hour chart. The supply zone, rectangle, created after the recent sell-off still stood strong as the alt struggled to cross the $2.7 mark. Now, any close below the wedge could lead to a $2.5 retest. At press time, Mana traded at $2.69. The RSI continued its growth in the up channel. However, it was challenging to stay afloat above the midline after the recent fall. Also, the MACD histogram fell below the zero line, revealing decreasing buying momentum. Since 8 February, Sushi retreated in 2 down channels, white, on its 4-hour chart, and flipped the 20 EMA, red, from its support to resistance. As a result, Sushi marked a nearly 45% retracement since then, and poked its 14-month low on 24 February. Even though the recent revival witnessed an up channel, Sushi found it challenging to overturn the 20 EMA. This trajectory confirmed the increasing bearish figure. Now, the bulls needed to defend the lower trend line of the channel to prevent a further breakdown. At press time, Sushi was trading at $3.357. The RSI recovered but still failed to cross the 61 hurdle. It skewed in favor of the sellers after a 12-point plunge over the last day. Moreover, even the CMF declined below the half line, indicating a slight bearish edge. So next news. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, Mana, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. Mana's creative director Sam Hamilton says that while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and haute couture are not new to the metaverse. Decentraland has been on the cutting edge of rare and in-demand digital fashions since the launch of Avatar wearables in 2020. Since that time, creators have been pushing both the technical and stylistic limits of Decentraland wearables and have created a booming economy with over $1 million in sales of Avatar wearables last year. The immersive fashion show will take place in Decentraland's new luxury fashion district and will feature a futuristic-looking catwalk. It will also host pop-up metaverse shops and after-parties. The area's shopping district will surround the virtual runway and is inspired by architecture from Paris's famous Avenue Montaigne, known for its chic clothing stores and decor. The event is slated to run between March 24th to March 27th, according to the press release. Decentraland is exchanging hands at $2.71 at time of writing, a 16% increase from its 7-day low of $2.27. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.